So I'm literally playing my TikTok video in the background. I gave a sneak peek of this exact video on my platform on TikTok. I decided why not go ahead and advertise this video before it even is created. So that's what you're listening to in the background. It's music from TikTok of the video presentation. So that being said, welcome into my computer. In this video, I'd like to teach you how to build a massive email list. Learn the secret to get the leads today in 2021. Now in this video, you'll learn all about email marketing and the reasons why we do it. I will share with you what you must have as tools and what you must do. Now disclaimer, the income is not guaranteed. You are the one responsible to make the money. This is for informational purposes only. But I will let you know that a lot of people have success with email marketing and making sales through their emails. Let's begin. First, I want to tell you that there is a saying that email lists are dead. There is not a need to build one. But if that is true, then why is it that we have to have an email to sign up on the internet, such as Gmail? Gmail also asks for an email, asks for your contact information, a backup email to reach you, a cell phone number. Also, why are businesses still using email as the primary method? My job currently, I'm always using email. Every single day I get bombarded with email. Okay, so email is obviously not dead. I just proved that. So let's get into the strategies. Now please note, I will be teaching from beginners all the way up to intermediate. If you're an advanced user of email, then go ahead and skip this video. Alright, what is a lead magnet? First thing I want to talk to you about is the free giveaway. The item that you're giving away in exchange for the email opt-in. Currently on my website at the time of this recording, which is actually 11/27/2020, but at the time you're watching this will be in January of 2021. I actually give away a free training. I give away a ebook / checklist of the exact steps that people have used for six-figure income on an annual basis in their affiliate marketing business. I also give away many other freebies that I don't mention live or in public. So that being said, I give away something that I could actually charge $25 to $150 for. But besides that, I wanted to actually build my email list. In order to do that, I had to give value. Value is when you give something away that actually helps somebody. So that being said, I had to do a lead magnet. It took me 2.5 weeks to do the ebook checklist. I went the long route and I did it from inspiration from one of my mentors. I used what he had in his lead magnet. I used what others had in their lead magnet. I compiled a list of things that were convenient, that was congruent, that seemed to be the same on each one. I made sure that it made sense to my viewer, those that are watching it, looking at it, whatever the case may be. So I made sure that I had a lead magnet that was available to give away that would give value. If you were to get that, it's in my website right now, jonesrandomknowledge.com. You can see it on the top of the screen there. But stay to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you how you can get other extra bonuses, extra affiliate marketing gifts. Okay, so now you got this lead magnet. What do I do with this lead magnet? Well, you got to create something what is called a opt-in page. Some people call it a capture page. Some people call it a landing page. Some people call it all kinds of different things. A squeeze page. Basically, all it is the start of a funnel. Well, you may ask, okay, well, what is a funnel? Well, I have a whole video on funnels, but let me just go into detail in this video personally. Specifically, a funnel is where you start at the very top. If you imagine a funnel, such as a tea funnel, a sugar funnel where you're putting sugar into a bottle or tea into a bottle, use a funnel so that it don't spill all over. Or a better analogy is if you're putting oil in an engine, you want to use a funnel so you don't get it all over the place. Okay, well, the top of the funnel is the widest part, and at the very bottom of the funnel is the narrowest part. So everything filters down in a certain direction and a certain path. Well, in an opt-in page is the start of the funnel. the front door of your business. When people walk through an actual physical building, let's say a store of some sort, they got to come through the door. Then when they go through the store, there's a certain layout that everything is laid out for people to go through until they get all the way to the checkout line. Everything is strategically laid out. If you notice, the junk food and the easy, cheaper items are at the end of the experience for the shopper, right there at the checkout line. Well, that's because they're trying to get more sales before you walk out of the door. And usually that's the strategic method, is send them over to some more upsells before they leave. Well, a start of the funnel is just that. The opt-in page is just that. It's where you actually give the email. The person comes in and gives the email to the person that has the capture page all set up. It could be for many different reasons, many different things. That's what an online business really is all about. It's about what is it that you're offering, that you're selling to someone, and make it all congruent in your funnel. I go into real in-depth detail on another video of this. So okay, you got the opt-in page, the start of the funnel. What next? Okay, well, there's a redirect link to the offer or to the thank you page after the opt-in is completed. This is the actual link that someone will go to that will say, thank you for this email. Thank you for putting in that email. It could be directly to an offer, which is to a bridge page first before the offer. It could be directly to the offer. It could be to just a thank you page. Hey, look in your email. Make sure that if it's not in your primary, that it's in your spam. Make sure you whitelist it so you don't miss out on any further detail. Just an example. Okay, now an autoresponder, which I use GetResponse, an autoresponder automates the email follow-up process. I was in the very beginning doing everything manually, going through my Gmail account, submitting emails up to 200 a day, which obviously was not enough for the amount of people that I was trying to mass email. And they caused some conflicts where people were bouncing my emails away. So I did start manually. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do. And it was really costing me some time, and I just didn't want to keep sitting there checking emails and sending off emails and manually putting in people's email address. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and pay the minimum fee that GetResponse offered. At that time it was $15, and so up to 1,000 contacts. I did the 30-day process, the trial they call it. I realized that within 10 days I was able to use this thing and that it was going to be really good for my business, so I went ahead and bought it. So I use an autoresponder that automates the email follow-up sequence. There's a certain way that emails are sent out to those that have put in their email in the opt-in page, the capture page, and they will be followed up in a certain way that you make the emails appealing to them. I personally have a video on this that teaches email sequence that builds trust and value to your audience. You're welcome to check that out. I have to give you fair warning, in that time of video recording I did not have a voice, so it was whispering more than anything. It is not ASMR, I promise you, but it does come off like that because it is just a whisper in that. So be advised, if you are going to watch that, it's the picture of me with the headphones on and I'm pointing to it, basically giving you an idea of what you're going to have to do in order to listen. That being said, you're welcome to check that out. We'll continue on here. The next thing you want to do is you want to generate traffic, such as YouTube, Facebook, which are average platforms. Currently right now I'm using this program to teach in-depth people because I can't be with you one-on-one every single week. So I'm having to do this where it's automated, where you click it and you watch it. Facebook is another platform that I use to build my email list, and I try to help encourage people and try to instruct people on there in live videos. I have a private group that is really not big right now. I just kind of been lacking on it. I really don't follow up with people on Messenger like I should. My focus is not really to build the audience on there like it used to be. I built it pretty quick and I felt like that's just not for me. So I changed my focus over to TikTok. Yep, TikTok. Not the dancing app where everybody's just dancing around. It is exactly that. It is an app that I personally use as a marketing tool. I'm not a dancer. I don't sit there on the thing and dance to music, but I do share, as you probably have seen already. If you come from my TikTok, you have seen the content I've done. But I share affiliate marketing details, affiliate marketing tutorials, steps and tricks and strategies. I share my life, really. I get on there. It only takes 15 seconds to make a video and share something with someone in real time. So why not? It's an easy way to make a video quickly. Get out there and let people see you. It gives you awareness to your brand. So I use TikTok for my main traffic source at this time. Alright, well, you stayed to the end. This is exactly what I was talking about at the beginning. You get an affiliate marketing gift for you when you go through the steps inside. You can learn exactly how to generate leads for your own business, which leads to sales. Whatever business niche you're in, dog training, health and fitness, how to get a girl, how to get a guy in 10 days, whatever, relationship, divorce consultant, sex therapist. I know that was a weird one to throw in there, but I actually just saw that recently on TikTok. I was surprised to see a sex therapist account, but I mean, I guess they're out there. There's many different niches that your business may be in, and you can use this exact process for every single business niche, every category of business out there. Whether it's a dentist that is trying to get people to come into their dentist's office, a doctor, a surgeon, whatever. An auto mechanic, for goodness sakes, can use this exact process and get people that are interested in going into their doors to get service done on their vehicle. One other one that I really like is if you're in a coaching program where you want to actually get clients to coach. There's a whole process to it, and I could teach that if you want. But basically, instead of going to a capture page and have an email follow-up, you can actually just send them right over to a link that books a call with you on a calendar called Calendly for a free application, or you could use Boss Me. There's several different ones. Anyways, I hope that this video was valuable. Please, one more thing.
If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.